Wow, I'm here again. Yes, another morning. It's another day. Let us give thanks we are alive. I continue in the series Breakfast Idea and Essential. Hey, can you guess what I'm going to cook this morning? Or what breakfast idea? I'm going to show you my ingredient. Do you want to see them? Please take a look at what I have. I'm going to show you what I have, and then we're going to decide what it is. It could be a Caribbean, it could be Ethiopian, it could be international, but let us look. Right, so I'm in my kitchen. That's my pot. I'm getting some water boiled to make some hot beverage. Yeah, so I'm in my kitchen. Uh, yeah, that's my kitchen floor. Oh, and the ingredient. Yeah, what ingredient do you think we are going to use? Ah, the ingredients. I like to use my Caribbean ingredients and then make a nice little twist to it. Again, it can be accepted internationally, it can be accepted locally. But again, the ingredients. Do you really want to see the ingredients? Yeah. Let us go and have a look. Wow. And that's my knife, my favorite. Those are, or these are what I have. So that's the first one. Can you see? Coconut oil. That's flavorful. I have some right here. Maybe this angle is a little better. Here, right there. Got me some minced grilled pork or chopped grilled pork. My tomatoes chopped. Garlic is right there. And I have a half of a tomato remaining. That's chopped onion, white onion. And that's chopped green onion, or we say in the Caribbean, scallion. And my carrot is there. Wow, what could I be cooking up? But look at what I have over there. Can you guess what that is? Look, can you guess? Wow. Can you guess? Yes, it is correct. That is ackee. But brought to Jamaican by Captain Bligh. So we are going to cook up a storm. So it sounds like we are going to cook up ackee with grilled pork. Right? And oh, what are we going to serve that with? Yeah, but what are we going to serve our ackee with? What are we going to serve it with? I know. I have an idea. Can be served with bread, can be served with boiled dumpling and ground provision. It can be served with fried dumpling. But look what we are going to serve it with. Could be served with breadfruit too, and that's wonderful. Look in my container. What's that? And that's the dough for making some Jamaican fried dumpling or Jamaican Johnny cake. That's the dough. Well, so in my dough, I have some cornmeal to help to give that crunch and the balance. I have some amount of counter flour, and I have some amount of baking flour, right? In different proportion. My counter flour to bake, well, my all-purpose to baking flour is 3-to-1. Also add a little raisin agent inside of it. Spoon of sugar to maintain the freshness, and some butter. I would like to get my hand on some desi ghee Right? So sometimes when we make these Johnny cake, we realize that after they are cool, they are really tough. These, man, you can throw away your teeth and have them. All right, so that's what we're gonna make. So we are going to make, yeah, Jamaican Johnny cake, and we are going to make ackee and saltfish. So well, not ackee and saltfish, ackee and minced grilled pork. So we're going to have that as our breakfast idea. So we are going to do ackee and grilled pork with fried dumplings. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare my ackee first, let my dough raise for a while, maybe 45 minutes, and then I will do the cooking. I may show you part of the process, but I sure will show you the end product. Stay tuned. It is a channel Malachi Emerald, and we are looking at breakfast idea and breakfast essential and idea. Remember to subscribe if you have not. Leave a comment. Ensure that you like the video, man. That's one of the best things you can do. Like my video if they appeal, or you will try, or you have tried what I am going to prepare. Yeah, so I have completed cooking my ackee and grilled pork, and I went live and showed how I was cooking it. But yeah, this is the final product, looking nice. Just require a little greens, right? Isn't this wonderful? This looks good. Let us go closer. Again, it's cooling down, so my lens isn't frosted. There it is. You can see bits of pork right there. You can see the ackee, you can see the carrot, you can see the tomato and onion. Yeah. So showing you soon, I will show you my fried dumpling, Jamaican fried dumpling. Yeah, I'm running the live, and only 2 dough dumpling remain in my pot, and they are slowly sizzling along. Yeah, heading to the counter where I have, these are some of my dumplings, Jamaican Johnny cake. And there's one that has been broken. I'm showing the angles. I think this seems a little better. It's one that has been broken. A part of my breakfast. This is the second part. And I hope you find this interesting, very informative. At the end, I'm going to present our serve portion for your viewing. Again, remember the channel, it is Malachi Emerald. Stay tuned. Let's get something started.
So we can just take that then?
Yeah, you could. Okay. So this is the final product, breakfast idea and essential. Again, you can make your arrangement differently for Johnny cake and your ackee and the grilled pork. There's a fork ready to eat. Hope you find this video very informative. I hope you like the idea also. If you like the video, please give it a thumb up. Share it with friends and family. Remember, it is a channel Malachi Emerald. Bye for now.